Okay guys, as you can see I'm using Linux here, and today I'm going to talk about a very known issue on Photoshop in Linux, right? I mean Photoshop, web Photoshop, right? I use it sometimes. I mostly use Krita, but sometimes I need to use some Photoshop features, and then I use this guy here, and I will just show you what is the issue and how to fix that, right? Let me open this file here. And that mostly happen with uh, big files. Okay, if you have a very big file and you are working on that online on Photoshop web like this, right? If you are working here and this file is 8,500 pixels, right? If I go here and I use download to save the file or export as, right? And I choose to export to my computer, choose desktop location, and leave the name like this, save, right? See what's happening? And yeah, it seems that it was saved, right? But if you check here, it's 0 bytes. It wasn't saved, right? For some reason, if the file is too big, I don't know if it's a web thing, I don't know. It's a bug anyway. The way you fix that, it's very, very simple, right? Instead of saving with the name that your file is, save with a short name, right? Very short name like test, right? Choose the file. Also put dot in the format, PNG or TIFF or whatever you want to save, right? And then save and watch what happened. You see, now Photoshop is really writing the file, it's really saving that. Let's check. Okay, now you have your test file here. You can open and check it out. Okay, the file is here, right? And that's pretty much it. Okay, it's a bug, and then you can go here and rename your file. Okay, it's not a big deal, right? It's a limitation because actually there is no Photoshop default by Linux for Linux desktop. But if you want to work with Photoshop, you can work with Photoshop web, and you have pretty much all the Photoshop tools, even the AI generative, you have it here. You can use it, and it's similar to Photoshop, right? And you have your tools, you have your retouch, effects, paint, the brushes are here, right? You just need to learn a little bit the layout, but the shortcut is pretty much similar, right, to Photoshop. It's not like Photoshop, but it's not all the layout like Photoshop. I prefer the Photoshop, but you can use that and work professionally using here. Okay, I've been working on files here, very large files, and it works, right? My only problem was exporting, but as soon as I figured this out, that's fine. Okay, now I can export any size. I just need to put a short name and then dot the format. That's the tip. Okay. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down. If you don't like it. And don't forget, I'm always talking about Blender, Linux Mint, and DaVinci Resolve. And I'm giving tips and talking about 3D in general. Okay. I'll see you soon. Take care. Take it easy. Bye bye.